Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You cannot pair an Apple Watch directly to a Samsung phone, so start by borrowing an iPhone to complete activation. Erase any previous pairings, sign into your Apple ID, and update both devices to the latest OS. If you have a cellular model, activate the eSIM via the carrier through the iPhone now. This lets the watch work standalone later. Once done, install only the watch apps you need and sync health and media, so the watch is ready without a constant iPhone nearby. With activation complete, configure the watch for independent operation. Turn on remembered Wi-Fi networks and confirm Bluetooth is enabled for accessories. Set a secure passcode, enable emergency SOS and location services, and allow health permissions so tracking works without your phone. Install and log into apps that support standalone operation, like music or navigation, and preload playlists or maps. Make sure notifications are set to mirror or allow the watch to receive them. Now you can use the Apple Watch while carrying a Samsung, but remember it will not pair to the Samsung. Keep the watch signed into your Apple ID and rely on cellular or known Wi-Fi for calls, messages, and app updates. If you need to remove the iPhone, unpair carefully so the watch retains its setup. If something breaks, restart the watch first, check the carrier plan for LTE models, and reset network settings or reactivate the eSIM. These steps resolve most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.